Good morning to all. I am S. Rahmatullah from Mechanical Department, second year. Today I am explain Article 21 from Constitution of India. Article 21. No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to a procedure established by law. What is says Article 21? The Article 21 says the people or person, every persons are live with our likely live in a procedure established by law. The right has been held to be the heart of the constitution. The right has been heart of the constitution of India. The most organic and progressive provision in our living constitution, the foundation of our laws. Article 21 secure two rights. Uh, First one right to life and second one is right to personal liberty. Article 21 applies to natural persons. The right is available to every person, citizens or alien. Thus, even a foreigner can claim this right to reside and settle in India as mentioned Article 19 Section 1. This statement says the rights is available to every person. Every person's available in this right. The aliens or another nation citizens or can claim this right to reside and settle in India as mentioned Article 19 Section 1. Right to life. Everyone has a right to life, liberty and the security person. This right to life is security to every person to prevent from the dangers to live in this nation. The right to life is undoubtedly the most fundamental of all rights. The right to life is fundamental of all rights. As human rights can only attach to living beings, one might expect the right to life itself to be in some sense primary, since none of other rights would have any value or utility without. Uh, this section will examine the right to life as interpreted and applied by the Supreme Court of India. The right to life will examine from the Supreme Court of India and applied from Supreme Court of India. Article 21 of the Constitution of India 1915 provides that no person shall be deprived of his life, personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. What is procedure established by law? Any one person shall be deprived of his life and or personal liberty according to only procedure established by law. It has much wider meaning which includes right to live with human dignity, right to livelihood, right to health. The person will living with human dignity, right to live good and right to health and etc. Many. Right to life is a fundamental to our very existence without which we cannot live as a human being, includes all those aspects of life which go to make man's life meaningful, complete and worth living. This right to life is mentioned or the scope of the right to life is the persons or human being or live a man's life meaningful and complete and worth living. It is the only article in the constitution that has received and widest possible interpretation. uh, Personal liberty. What says right to life? The man, every man has would like to live freely and like to live in the nation in Constitution of India. What is personal liberty? Liberty of the person is one of the oldest concept to be protected by national courts. This liberty is oldest concepts and protected by national courts. The smallest article of the 18 words has the greatest significance. The Article 21 is the greatest significance for those who cherish the ideals of liberty. This is a smallest article of 18 words. In India, concepts of liberty has received a far more expensive interpretation. The personal liberty says it also like a right to life. The single man rights. The personal liberty exact meaning is single man's rights. This personal liberty is one of the best rights in Article 21. The man speak to freedom to speak, freedom to live, freedom to speech. All of you. Personal liberty says the person whose live or speech or live with his him likely or his likely live, but they did not disturbing to others. He he like to live with disturbing to others, they can arrest him and punish him by procedure established by law. One scenario is mentioned him in the Indian concept liberty. The Supreme Court of India has rejected the liberty denotes. In the meaning of in Supreme Court in the Karak Singh case, which arose out of the challenge to constitutional validity UP police. The Karak Singh, the one person is a leader of the party, and in case the prime minister or president or international VIPs are come to particular area, the particular person will affected by another person in case the person has arrested by Prevention Detection Act in Constitution of India. The Supreme Court has held that even lawful imprisonment does not spell farewell to all fundamental rights. The fundamental rights, right to life and personal liberty, has most important Article 21 is the most important to Constitution of India. Thank you to all.